The rate of increase of COVID-19 cases has been declining in Mumbai. Though the number of cases increased last week compared to the week before, the rate of growth dwindled from 125% to 28%. In the earlier waves too, the peak was reached when the growth rate decreased and then the overall number of cases also came down. However, an official says we must wait for a week to review if the curve is flattening. It will be interesting to see whether the current surge follows the trend of the earlier waves. Cases in the city have been decreasing since the last week of May. The number of hospitalizations and serious patients too is on the rise. In June, 17 deaths have been reported till date, which is much higher than the 3 or 4 deaths per month since March. But the situation could improve now if one goes by the previous rate of increase of cases. There were 4,880 cases between May 30 and June 5th, which were more than double those of the earlier week. Even in the following week, cases rose twofold. But in the week that ended on Sunday, the rate of increase of cases came down to a mere 28%. The third wave too, which had peaked between January 9th and 11th, had a similar increase rate. The rate of increase of cases went down from 6 to 3-fold in the week of January 3rd to 9, and then the cases saw a downward trend. A similar trend was seen during the second wave. The daily average number of tests between June 6th and 12th was 15,000, which came down to 14,000 per day from June 13 to 19.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.